Good morning, dear students. Today we are talking about the redox reactions in which we have already discussed in my previous videos about the balancing of reaction, and that we learned how to balance the redox reaction with the help of oxidation number method as well as the half reaction method. But now today I just decide to discuss with you about the standard electrode potential as well as the representation of an electrochemical cell. About electrochemical cell, that what is electrochemical cell, we have discussed in my previous video. Today we are just going to discuss about the standard electrode potential, which is a deleted portion for this year, but definitely regarding the point of view for 12th standard, it is a very important topic, as we are supposed to study it in a separate chapter as a electrochemistry. And so I decide that I just prepare a one video regarding this topic also. So now we are going to discuss about the standard electrode potential, and before discussing that we should also know about that how we can represent an electrochemical cell. So bacha, it can be represented in the manner as I have shown in this equation, like zinc oblique zinc 2 positive, C1 concentration, double lines, straight vertical lines, which you can also known as a salt bridge. Actually this is the representation of a salt bridge. Copper 2 positive, concentration of C2 oblique copper. So we can say by convention the electrode, this is a one electrode, zinc gives Zn2 positive plus 2 electron, and here this is another one electrode potential electrode, that copper 2 positive plus 2 electron gives copper. So the side which is present on the left hand side, that is basically it's a electrode in which oxidation occurs, whereas the electrode which is written on the right hand side, in this one part the reduction occurs. Fine. So we can say that the electrode which is written on the left hand side, it is written by writing the symbol of metal, or you can say the gas first, followed by the symbol of the ion with its concentration in ब्रैकेट्स. ठीक है, ये ब्रैकेट्स में हम उसकी कॉन्सेंट्रेशन लिखते हैं. एंड सिमिलरली इलेक्ट्रोड ऑन राइट हैंड साइड, इट इज रिटन बाय फर्स्ट राइटिंग द आयन, पहले आयन लिखेंगे along with its concentration in brackets, followed by the symbol of the metal or the gas. So single vertical lines which is here, that represent the interface in between the two phases, that is it can be solid liquid or liquid gas, जो भी कह सकते हैं आप. और जैसा मैंने बताया डबल लाइंस जो होती हैं, that is showing the salt bridge, जिनमें की C1 और C2 जो है, these are the concentration of Zn2 positive and Cu2 positive. Similarly, in the same one manner, we can represent a copper silver nitrate cell also. Like here it is represented that copper oblique copper 2 positive, जिसकी की concentration 2 positive की C1 है, double lines Ag positive Ag positive is having a concentration how much? C2. Okay. नेक्स्ट आ जाता है बच्चे इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल. सो हमने जैसे बात करी दैट ईच इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल सेल कंसिस्ट ऑफ 2 electrodes or half cell, and each electrode in turn consists of a metal which is dipped in the solution of its own. जैसे यहाँ पे कॉपर सल्फेट सोल्यूशन, यहाँ पे जिंक सल्फेट, यहाँ पे कॉपर सल्फेट, यहाँ पे सिल्वर नाइट्रेट, silver chloride, etc. All right, one beta. So in this the each electrode which is consist of a metal dipped in the solution of its own, at one of these electrodes oxidation occur, whereas in another one part reduction take place. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? That one electron has a tendency to lose electron, whereas the another one has a tendency to gain electrons. Fine. And this, the tendency of an electrode to lose or gain electron is called electrode potential, where from here we can say that each electrode represent a half cell, and therefore electrode potential is also called potential for half cell. Alright. So हम ये कह सकते हैं that the electrode potential of any electrode that depends upon the concentration of the ions and temperature. If concentration is taken as unity, one ले लें अगर हम बात करते हैं, that means 1 mole per liter. That means if any gas appears in the electrode reaction is taken as at 1 atmospheric pressure and temperature is taken at 298 Kelvin. So the electrode potential thus determined are called standard electrode potential, and that is denoted by E naught. तो यहाँ से आप क्या कह सकते हैं, conclude कर सकते हैं that the electrode potential depends upon the concentration of the metal ions in solution and the temperature. And from here we can say that the standard electrode potential is the electrode potential which is generally measured under standard conditions. Alright, and that standard condition is nothing but it is 1 molar concentration of metal ions, that is 1 mole per liter, and a temperature of 298 Kelvin. So at that time the electrode potential is known as the standard electrode potential, और जैसा मैंने बात करी, it is denoted by the symbol E naught. Is it clear to everyone? So the equation for the half reaction or for the half cell, which is written as a reduction reaction, and if its concentration is 1 mole per liter and the reaction carried over at 298 Kelvin, then the electrode potential is called standard reduction potential. ठीक है, next आ जाता है measurement of standard electrode potential. Now about this, if we are talking about the absolute value of potential for a single electrode cannot be measured directly. Obviously, क्यों नहीं कर सकते directly measure? क्योंकि half cell reaction that can't take place independently. First one thing. Second one, it is a relative tendency to lose or gain electron. Obviously, एक अगर उतने electrons lose कर रहा है तो दूसरा cell जो होगा उतने electrons gain करेगा. And third one, for the purpose of measurement, as soon as another metal conductor is put into the solution, it will set up its own potential. भाई अपने अपने potential भी तो बन रहे हैं उनके. Fine. So इन सारी difficulties को देखते हुए हमने क्या करा, electrode potential को as a reference electrode लिया, and the reference electrons used, that is standard or normal hydrogen electrode, that is NHE or SHE, standard hydrogen electrode. For this it consists of, बेटा यहाँ से ध्यान से सुनिए, it consists of a platinized platinum electrode which is in which platinum electrode having a coating of black platinum, and it is dipped in 1 molar HCl solution, ठीक है, at 298 Kelvin, and pure hydrogen gas, यहाँ पर pure hydrogen gas that which is maintained at a pressure of 1 atmosphere is bubbled through the, यहाँ से बेटा, bubbled through the solution which is containing a platinized platinum electrode. ध्यान रहेगा, ये platinized platinum electrode है, 1 molar HCl का solution है, H2 गैस डाली जाती है of 1 atmospheric pressure पे. ठीक है, जो finally divided black platinum coated किया गया platinum के ऊपर, that helps to absorb H2 gas and it further helps to establish a rapid equilibrium in between H2 and H positive ions. ठीक है, so in a cell ये electrode act as a anode in which oxidation takes place. ठीक है, क्या take place कर रहा है? Oxidation. यहाँ पे देखिए, and ये oxidation take place, and this reaction if occurs, that this particular reaction occurs in which some hydrogen gas that is converted into H positive ion and release electrons, 2 electrons in the solution. Similarly, when this electrode act as a cathode, बेटा यही same electrode जो है ये एनोड और कैथोड की तरह बिहेव करेगा, and in this particular same electrode reduction take place. When reduction take place, then the reaction take place like this, that 2H positive absorbing 2 electrons and converted into the H2 gas. That means the some H positive ions from the solution changes into hydrogen gas, and we can say the electrode is reversible with respect to H positive ions, and that's why we can say this electrode is usually represented as platinum H2 gasly at 1 atmospheric pressure, H positive ions in aqueous solution present with the C concentration. ठीक है, so the electrode potential of standard hydrogen electrode, that is taken as 0. So this is all about the your standard hydrogen electrode and electrode potential, and in this one we can also say about the electromotive series. So standard electrode potential of large number of electrodes that have been determined using standard hydrogen electrode as a reference electrode, and for which the electron potential has been arbitrarily taken as 0. ठीक है, क्या किया गया कि हाइड्रोजन इलेक्ट्रोड को स्टैंडर्ड इलेक्ट्रोड माना गया, इसकी वैल्यू को 0 माना गया, एंड बाय कन्वेंशन इसको किस पे डाला गया? रिडक्शन साइड पे डाला गया, बिकॉज it is already considered as a standard reduction electrode potential, and reactions are written in the opposite way. That means an oxidation reduction, as an oxidation reaction, electrode potential are referred to as standard oxidation electrode potential. ठीक है, since reduction half reaction is just the reverse of oxidation half reaction, so oxidation potential of any electrode is obtained from the reduction potential by just changing its sign. जैसे कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर मैं बात करती हूँ स्टैंडर्ड रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोड Zn2 पॉजिटिव ऑब्लिक जिंक की बात करी जाए, तो हम ये क्या कहेंगे कि Zn2 पॉजिटिव प्लस 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन गिव्स जिंक, और इसका इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल कितना था? -0.76 वोल्ट. स्टैंडर्ड ऑक्सीडेशन पोटेंशियल, अब इसको जस्ट क्या करना है? रिवर्स करना है. तो हमने क्या कहा? जिंक गिव्स zinc 2 positive plus 2 electrode, and whose electrode potential is positive या plus 0.76 volt. तो इसका मतलब हुआ बेटा standard electrode potential is given a positive sign if reduction occurs at this electrode with respect to the standard hydrogen electrode. दोबारा ध्यान रहेगा, किसके रिस्पेक्ट में पॉजिटिव है? with respect to the standard hydrogen electron, and if it is given a negative sign, then what does that mean? That oxidation occurs at particular that electrode with respect to the standard hydrogen electron. ठीक है, so this is all about. इसी तरीके से सारे different cells लिए गए with respect to the standard hydrogen electrode, and such a list of oxidizing agents arranged in decreasing order of their strength, and which is called activity, or we can say electromotive or electrochemical सीरीज। तो यही बेटा आपके सिलेबस में है, आपकी एनसीईआरटी बुक में इलेक्ट्रोमोटिव सीरीज या इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल सीरीज एट 298 केल्विन पे विद रिस्पेक्ट टू स्टैंडर्ड हाइड्रोजन इलेक्ट्रोड की वैल्यूज दी हुई है इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल की। एंड later on in 12th standard also you will again study about it in detail. This electromotive series having a lots of application, like to compare the, it is used to compare the relative strength of oxidizing and reducing agents. It is also used to compare the reactivities of metal. It is also used to predict whether the metal will liberate hydrogen from the aqueous solution of acids or not. And it also tells us about EMF of an electrochemical cell. Okay, so thank you. That's all about for this topic. And go through, as I already or always told to you, that you have to go through the topic again from your NCERT book. And if you feel any doubt, then just repeat my video and go through it once again. Till that time, thank you.